This is Sutton, Rollins apartment-style residential hall. It's got great lake views, its own oasis, and you will not believe the rooms here. Hey Shannon, how are you?
Kurt, I'm good, how are you?
Great. Please introduce yourself.
So my name's Shannon Sullivan. I'm an RA here on campus, and an RA stands for Resident Assistant, and I've been trained in everything from homesickness to real emergencies.
Holy cow, that's
I just
a lot.
help the students. Yeah, it is a lot.
Fun? What's your favorite part?
Oh, my favorite part are definitely the people that I work with. Yeah.
That's cool. Well, please tell me about Sutton
So
Apartments.
Sutton is one of my favorite places on campus. They're apartment-style suites. And you're gonna share it with, 3 or 4 other students.
Oh wow, okay, that's cool.
May seem like a lot, but the space is just
Yeah,
huge. You can see
super
here,
open.
here's the living room.
Yeah.
You have your own balcony right over there.
Oh yeah, that's neat. You see the
Yeah,
lake
you can see
from
the
here.
lake too.
Yeah.
And you have your TV right there for movie nights.
Yeah, what if you want popcorn?
Well, I'm glad you asked, because if you need popcorn, you have your own personal
Holy
kitchen.
cow, this is sweet. Got
I
a
know.
fridge, dishwasher, stove, microwave.
Stove, you can cook everything yourself. And then right over here, we have our dining room.
Perfect. Get those sit-down dinners with your friends.
Sit-down dinners, exactly. Candlelight spaghetti dinners.
I love it. I love it. That's cool.
Yeah.
So you show me the rooms.
Yeah, let's go check out the bedrooms. So come on in. This is the smaller of the 2 rooms.
Right.
Right now it's set up for an RA, so there's only 1 bed and everything, but generally 2 students are gonna share this room.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so you can have 1 bed over here, 1 bed over there.
Yeah.
Got
Even
some
a huge
closet
closet.
space. Yeah.
Yeah, plenty of
Very
space for your
nice.
shoes and everything.
Yep. And you're
cool.
gonna have 2 desks as well and 2 sets of drawers.
Yeah, and you got a view too.
Oh yeah,
Nice
the
big
view's
open
absolutely
windows.
beautiful. All right, so this one's the bigger of the 2 rooms.
Sweet.
Again, right now it's set up for an RA, so there's only 1 bed,
Right.
but generally 2 to 3 students are gonna be sharing this space right here.
Yeah, there's plenty of room.
There is plenty of room, and there's actually a walk-in closet over here.
Sweet.
So you have, all the room you need for your clothes and your
way.
shoes.
Yeah, literally. Holy cow.
Oh yeah, it's pretty big.
I think
it's really nice.
That's cool.
Yeah, and you have your own little bathroom right over here as well.
Oh,
so
nice.
there's a bathroom that connects to this room specifically. Got the stand-up shower, a toilet, of course, sink, and there's also another bathroom.
Oh, cool. So one per
there's,
room?
Yep, 1 per room. So there's
Perfect.
2 bathrooms in total. This one actually has a bath
Okay.
for those bubble bath
Yes,
necessities.
absolutely.
So yeah, Sutton apartments are pretty cool, but one of my favorite things about Sutton is actually the pool.
Oh, sweet. Let's see
Yeah.
it. Well, I can see why this is one of your favorite places on campus.
Right?
It's so
So
pretty.
nice. Right over here we have the waterfall. Right down there you have the docks. It leads right to
that's
the
cool.
lakes.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, you can do sun tanning and
It's
everything.
suntan. We also have a lot of pool parties here. It's
no
so
way.
much fun. Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, thank
Yeah.
you so much for showing around.
You're welcome.
It's been a blast. See you later. What?